Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to download SRTM DEM. So for that, we are going to learn downloading SRTM DEM. Okay. So the first thing that we need to do is we need a dataset. So I can just simply go and search for SRTM. Okay, this is the dataset that I have been talking about. You need to take this code. Okay, copy this, close. You can directly import also, but I prefer to do like this. Where dm equal to and paste it. Otherwise put semicolon or no error. Then I want to define a region of interest y equal to I will prepare based on the rectangle. So just taking code from my backup. So you can just come here and paste it here. Like you can define with e.geometry.rectangle. I'm just taking the four corners of the coordinates, so it will just work on it. If I want to zoom this map, I can just do center object. Okay, then based on ry comma, let's make zoom level to 8. Here it will be fine. Okay, and I want to add this layer to visualize. So map.add layer. The layer of the name is DM, comma. You can visualize this, but I want to take only small portion of the DM. So in that case, I will also use clip in between. So here, what I will do is like this, like DM clip based on ROI, so that my area will be fixed, and I'm using minimum 0 to maximum 8000. We can change this value based on the requirement of our visualization, and I'm just using palette of various colors. I usually do not know which colors are there. You can directly use the color code. This kind of color code is you will find in the Google. Okay, for example, if you just search for this color code, so it is green color. I don't know. In green also there might be shades of green, right? You can do that on your own, and I'm just visualizing based on this name SRTM DEM. But other than that, my target is to export this DEM, right? So before exporting, let me just run this code to see my DM area, whether it is in appropriate area or not. If it is within my span of area, or if this is what I wanted, then I can simply finalize it and download the datasets. So in case of downloading this to normally I export image to my Google Drive. So you can just simply use this code, like for example, export.image.to drive. Okay, then close the bracket. You have to define image, which image you want to export. I have used in this way. You can do one more thing, right? For example, DEM underscore my area. Okay, I'll just define this as DEM dot CLI clip based on ROI. Oh, sorry, I put it in the wrong place. Okay, I need to put after I define the area, right? The clip, and you can also replace this with this one. Okay, right, and over here. Okay, then this is the description you can use as per your requirement. This file name bracket will come while running, and reason is RY as defined over here. Scale is 30. Since the resolution of the image is 30, so I'm exporting in 30 meters, so I use as have to define scale as 30. Then you need to be very careful with this max pixel. If the max pixel is very less, then you will not be able to export your data. So after having this code, you can just simply click run. Oh, sorry, what did I do? Oh, sorry. I really made very silly mistake. I forgot to define this. So, okay, now let's run. Okay, this lesson is here. You can check. Yeah, on, up. You can see this value and go to task. You'll find this value. Over here, you have to click on run. Once you click on the run, you just check the value and you have to select this drive. If you want to upload in cloud storage, you can upload in cloud storage. If you want to upload in your assets, it will be accessible to you directly. You can save in your assets in your project, and or you can simply download in a drive. So in case of a folder, I will just define the name of folder as DEM, and then file name is SRTM and DEM, and the file extension is GOTF TIF, with the since normally digital elevation model are saved in GOTF. And after this, I will just click run, and see it has started downloading. And once it is downloaded, the downloaded file will be saved in your Google Drive. You need to go to your Google Drive, and you need to be very sure that there will be no other there will be enough space in your drive, so that the download can easily happen. Okay, and for now it is running, that's why it is not shown here, right? We can just go, but you can see the folder that you have created, right? Okay, you just have to wait for a while. I think it will take quite a lot of time, because I have selected a very large area. So I can decrease the area maybe. I will show you one more thing. Okay, I think that will reduce the time. I will do BAR. Let's just certify as AOI. In this case, what I'm going to do is I'll draw a rectangle, small rectangle around here. Okay, so it will be very small area. I'll so I will just write another area, reference center. So what happened? Could not because the point continues. Sorry, what happened? Okay, this is another area. I just define this as another area. Then I will define here EOI. Over here also AOI. EMI bar. Okay. I think it will take very long period of time. That's why I'm just trying to change the area so that the completion of the task will be very soon. I want to change the name as 1. Okay, right, then you can just run it again. You don't need to worry about this task, because it will keep on running by itself. Once it is done, it will be already stored in your drive. Okay, run this file. I will use the same folder, so I will use where this. I had changed the name of variable, set file name, and run it. Hopefully I think it will not take a longer time. Let's see. I can just take this off. Correct. Yeah, let's wait for some time, and I'll come back to you once it is completed and show it. I want to pause this video for a while. We can about this. Yeah, I can put this. And I think it is done. That means whether it is pasta, I don't know. Whatever. Sorry. Okay. There's a file is already saved. See, another file is still taking time because of the area and the number of pixels. Let's just check here. See, yeah, the file is already downloaded from Bolas engine and to your drive. If you want to use it, you can just simply download the file, and you can use any software to check to see the visualization of the layers. I normally use QGIS. I think we need to enable this for some time. Okay. Yeah, that's all. You can see the files are already saved. If you want to download other file, you can download and check. Thank you. And that's all for today. Enjoy the video.